Best Performance Cars for 2024 Hyundai Elantra N. As the automotive industry gears up for the latest releases in 2024, the 2024 Hyundai Elantra N emerges as a game-changer among the best performance cars of the year. Combining the practicality of a compact sedan with exhilarating performance capabilities, the Elantra N promises to redefine expectations in the performance car segment. The 2024 Hyundai Elantra N arrives with a bold and aggressive design that sets it apart from its mainstream counterparts. Its sculpted lines, aerodynamic bodywork, and sporty accents create a dynamic and purposeful appearance that hints at the car's high-performance capabilities. From its unique grille to its rear spoiler and quad exhaust pipes, every detail is meticulously crafted to optimize aerodynamics and enhance performance. Under the hood, the 2024 Elantra N boasts a potent turbocharged engine, delivering exhilarating performance and responsive acceleration that's sure to thrill drivers. With its front-wheel drive configuration and advanced suspension system, the Elantra N offers precise handling and agile cornering, making it a joy to drive on both the track and the street. But it's not just about performance. The 2024 Hyundai Elantra N also impresses with its practicality and versatility. Despite its high-performance credentials, the Elantra N remains a practical daily driver, with ample cargo space, comfortable seating, and a host of standard features. And with its competitive pricing compared to many of its competitors, the Elantra N offers incredible value for performance enthusiasts. As one of the best performance cars for 2024, the Hyundai Elantra N represents a new standard in the compact segment, combining exhilarating performance with practicality and affordability. Its bold design, impressive performance, and practical features make it a top choice for drivers who demand high-performance capabilities without sacrificing everyday usability. In a market filled with contenders vying for attention, the 2024 Hyundai Elantra N stands out as a true standout, a symbol of Hyundai's commitment to performance and innovation. With its blend of performance, practicality, and affordability, it continues to captivate drivers around the world, solidifying its place among the best performance cars of 2024 and beyond.